Hello everyone. So this is my yet another new launch in my sale, which is again a product of Voodoo. I think many of you will be surprised that how come we never knew that she also knows Voodoo. But I thought, I felt, or I was guided that it's a time to start. But no, it's not for teaching. It's just for making candles as of now. So I'm just making them. Now this is basically a very powerful candle when you need quick money. Now, a lot of people, based on the situation going on right now, have a lot of issues related to money. Though Dambala is also for a lot of things, the Lua Dambala is there for a lot of things, but mainly if the work is not successful or if money is not coming. Now, sometimes even for money which is due to you, you can even use it for that. It is not that you cannot use it for that, but working on this candle will be for quick money. So I would suggest, if you're a person who does online business or who has a shop or who does work from home, or for example, specifically I would say if you are a career oriented who works on a monthly salary, then this is not the candle for you. But if you're a person who has a work, it can be any work, where some people, why I'm saying any work, because some people come and ask me, we don't have a shop, then why do we need to keep the money box? Then I tell them, even where you're doing your online shopping, even next to your computer where you do your online business is where you can keep these things and you can work on. So that is the reason I am insisting on that. So if you are a person who sells online selling, this will work beautifully. If you're a person who has a shop, then should I burn in the shop? If you burn in the shop, nothing is going to go wrong, because it doesn't look anything scary as such. So you can burn in the shop also. Now, why the color red and white? As I said, white is needed when you call on certain types of wooden luas or spirits, and the red is the color of Dambala. Now, behind the instructions have been given here at the back. You start burning this on a Tuesday. Tuesday is the best day to burn, and for him, offerings in crossroad will be banana or oranges. I love offering both, so it works beautifully. Now I still remember 10-11 years back, I had also picked the same. When I had picked my Erzuli candle, I had picked my Papa Legba candle, I had also picked this candle from abroad, and I used to burn it. But that time what I had done was, I had picked up the 7-day jar candles, which I am also bringing very soon. Many people have been asking for that, but yes, I am bringing that also. So in that 7-day jar candles, which are very famous in abroad, you need to burn it for 7 days at a stretch. So I used to start it on a Tuesday and I used to burn it at a stretch. But here, why I don't suggest that you burn it on 7 days together, because I feel every day you call on them, you call on him, and then you pray with him, and you tell him whatever it is that you desire. So the day you start on Tuesday, offer certain bananas in the crossroad or oranges, the way I said. Again, for example, now someone owes you money, they have not been paying you. Once you get the payment, then from that money which you get, spend a little bit on the bananas and oranges, and again offer it to him in the crossroads. Now, for example, you are running a shop, and say you are earning X amount every month for the past 3 years, or for the past 6 months, you've been earning X amount. Now you desire to increase that X amount by 15% or 20%. So you tell him, okay, and then you, once it happens, you again do the offering. Quick money. When I said quick money, burn, call on him, invoke him, tell him, please come. I want to start earning so and so amount. This is my quick requirement. Not earning. I think earning is the wrong word. You should say, this is my quick requirement. I need this money to repay your debt, or to pay this bill, and this is needed within these dates. So please do something. You tell him, you offer it in the crossroads, come back home, and then you burn this, and burn it with faith, because these voodoo luas are people who, or are spirits who would come to you, help you, only with two conditions. One is you do it with faith and happiness, and not with the fear that they are going to harm you, because believe me, they are not going to harm you. I think they have better work in life other than harming us humans. They just come to help us and not to harm us. And mainly, one more thing is that they believe in offerings. So if you leave their offerings, they are very much happy and content. So again, in this candle, I have again put a little bit of herbs which are more effective or preferred or loved by this. Now this is not a warrior, we call this as the vedo. Now this is his vedo, and so you will look at here and only burn the candle, and speak to Damballah. Okay. Again, make a small hole here with the safety pin. One drop of this oil daily here, and then you burn this candle. Now, in this, what you can do is, because it's a quick money oil, you can even open this. It's a beautiful light colored oil. I really love using it. Just take this and apply in your palms. Smell it, that this is the money I want and the money is coming, and start seeing the beautiful happiness or the magic or the effect that this candle brings in your life. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Again, if the sale is over and you have seen this video later on, even then you can connect with us. The team number will come and you can pick it from them. So do like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you're notified as and when I keep bringing such beautiful, amazing products and my tips and readings as usual. Thank you.